Hello friends, welcome to the unit number 5 of our course Electronics Made Easy. Myself Dr. N.K. Darwante, and I am going to discuss you with the topic Arduino based circuit. Till this lecture, you have studied with the various electronic devices. You have studied about the diodes, you have studied about the transistors, different configurations of the transistors, then how to use the transistor as an amplifier. You have studied the integrated circuits and their applications, and you know that if you have to use the electronic devices for certain application, using the ICs make the things easier. But if you have to design some smarter devices, then you need some devices which can have the controlling functions as well as certain memories. And means ahead of the integrated circuit, using the microcontrollers and microprocessors make the devices more smarter. If you have to design a project, or if you have to build a electronic project for some purpose, some applications, then you need to use the microcontrollers or microprocessors. But for that purpose, you should have the in-depth knowledge of a microcontroller and microprocessor, because for using these controllers you need to study the language. You need to study the assembly level language or some embedded language, embedded C language. Then only you can use microcontrollers and microprocessor for some purpose. And along with that, interfacing microcontrollers and microprocessors with the other sensors, other electronic devices need some expertise knowledge. Then if you are the we can say that hobbyist, as well as if you are interesting to build the electronic circuit with minimum knowledge, then nowadays we can say that Arduino based circuit is the best choice. Then question arises, why only the Arduino? Because in the market different type of board, electronic boards are available, with the help of which also you can design the electronic circuit. But Arduino is the I think great as well as the popular platform for the beginners, because Arduino board is easily available, and it is much more flexible as compared to the other boards. That's why most of the electronic designers they are using the Arduino board. And once you are aware how to use the Arduino board, then using the other board will not be the question. Therefore, as a means trend, whatever trend is going on in the electronic market, accordingly we will start with the Arduino boards. And definitely after completion of this unit number 5, you will be able to use this Arduino board for some application, and you will understand the basic concept of Arduino board, basic working of the Arduino board. Okay, now without wasting our time, we will go ahead. First of all, what we are going to learn under this unit number 5, that we will see. Now these are the content of our unit. First of all, we will see on the overview of Arduino. Then we will see electronic component and connections. Then introduction to the Arduino. What is actually the Arduino board? What are the different type of Arduino boards? Which board is suitable for the beginners, that we will learn. Then Arduino components and ID. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. Then as this Arduino is the combination of hardware and software, we will see the software part using the Arduino programming. Then once you learn the programming, then we have to interface this Arduino board with various electronic uh, devices for designing the project certain applications. Now as the beginning, we'll see that how to blink the LEDs, light emitting diode, using the Arduino. Then we will interface the Arduino with the LCD display, and we will display some certain text of our desire. Then we will interface Arduino board with the 7 segment display. Similarly, we can interface with the different sensor. As an example, we will use only the infrared sensor. We will interface infrared sensor with the Arduino board and use it for some application. Then we can interface the various motors with the Arduino. As an example, we will see the interfacing of DC motor. Nowadays, wireless communications is having a lot of scope. That's why we will also interface the Wi-Fi module with the Arduino. Now, what is an Arduino? Arduino is an open source based and easy to use hardware and software circuit board. Now, as we have seen the different electronic components, if we have to use them for some purpose, then we have to make a circuit. We have to design a circuit. Circuit design requires some expertise. We need some theoretical knowledge. We have to select the component of proper values, proper specifications, and if all these matches, then only you will get the desired output. Then it is time consuming as well as requires we can say that in-depth knowledge. But with the help of Arduino, we can we are having the hardware platform is available, and by just changing the software we can make use of this Arduino for different application. Means a single board we can use for the various application. Once you understand what are the different components on the Arduino board and how to make use of them, how to do the programming of Arduino, how to interface the different devices with the Arduino, then you can use it for the multiple applications. And again, programming is also not so difficult as compared to the microcontroller and microprocessor. Programming the Arduino is easier because for that purpose you are having the open source ready-made software available in the means available on the internet. You can that is freely available. The name of the software is the Arduino IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. With the help of this environment, you can write the program, you can debug the program. Debug means whether if some corrections are there, that can be done on the on that end itself. Once the program is working well, then that programming can be downloaded on the Arduino board and we can check. This we can do for multiple times. Now such a facility is available in the integrated development environment, which is the user friendly environment for the electronic designer and specifically Arduino circuit designers. Arduino provides a standard form factors that breaks the functions of microcontrollers into the more accessible package. Those are familiar with the microcontroller programming, they know that interfacing requires means a lot of study, and therefore this Arduino breaks the whatever interfacing things are there, that is automatically broken down and made it easier for the circuit designers. Now, this course means specifically the unit number 5 is based for the students, those who want to design the electronic simple project. That okay for the beginners, those are hobbyists, and they want to do the fun with the electronics. For them, this course is very much suitable, and definitely after learning the Arduino, they will be very happy because when they will see the output with minimum effort, definitely they will get encouraged to learn the more electronic we can say that components, electronic devices, and definitely they will lean to design an electronic project that is helpful to the society. That is my expectation. And after along with that, they will also get the knowledge of microcontrollers, different sensors. They will be eager to learn what are the different sensors are there, though we are going to take an example of simple sensors here, few sensors in this video, but definitely many sensors are available in the market, and meanwhile they can go through them for the different application purpose also. Definitely, my aim is to make all of you very comfortable with the Arduino. I don't want to, by using this word Arduino, this may be the new word for all of you, but this will, when once you become familiar, it will be very much, we can say that, very much interesting and ready to learn the different features of the Arduino. That is assurance from my side. Okay, with this we will end with this first lecture of unit number 5, and in the second subsequent unit we will come with the new features and new things of the Arduinos. Okay, thank you very much.